So, you might be looking for a way to factory reset your Speed Queen commercial washer. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So, first things first is you want to make sure the machine is powered off before you touch any buttons. Now, this gives you a clean starting point here so the reset actually works. And also, most Speed Queen commercial washers use a button combo to get into service mode. So, on many models, you want to press and hold the delicates plus the heavy soil or the hot and warm button for about 3 seconds until the display changes. Now, this is the mode where factory resets live. Now, once you're in service mode here, use the cycle button to or arrow keys to scroll through the menu until you see something like factory reset, restore defaults, or reset parameters here, or something similar. So different models label it slightly differently, but it's always under system level settings. Now, when you select the reset option here, the washer will ask if you're sure. Now press start or OK to confirm. This immediately wipes custom settings and restore the washer to its original factory programming. Now, after confirming, the control panel will go blank or flash for a few seconds. Now, this is normal. The machine is reloading its factory presets. Don't press anything until it returns to the home screen. Now, from then on, you want to turn the washer off for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. And just make sure the reset actually saves and the control board starts fresh. Now, also, some commercial units allow a manual board reset here. Unplug the washer, wait for about 60 seconds, plug it back in, and if the issue continues, the control board or door lock system may need servicing. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.